Well, I think that we're looking at a new day with Shasta County. I believe that all of us want the best for Shasta County. We want to see it grow. We want to see it prosper. We want to see the people protected. And our children have a better future than we did. And I think that's something all people want in this county. I find some things interesting. First of all, Mr. Baugh, I've been listening to you for many, many years, and I find it hard seeing you be cross with anybody, to be honest with you. I thought that was a bit strange, and I don't recall you yelling at anybody, and I'm not here just to defend you, it's just I never heard any of that. I think that what we have to be looking at now is the understanding of what we have as far as people running for office really and truly. And since the DA's office felt that they could send two assistant prosecutors in here to defend Stephanie Bridget, I found that odd. Why would you come in and defend the DA of Shasta County? Was she on trial, or did you guys have something that you had on the agenda about her? I found that very strange. Usually I find that people try to defend themselves without being questioned or asked is because they have something to fear. What was it that they had to fear? Really and truly, that's enough to give us all pause. I think we have a lot of issues here, things that happen, for example, in the sheriff's department where information is given out, it's false information, and the sheriff has to go out and apologize to people because they're getting false information from the very person that signs everything he does. I think that we have to be looking closely at what's really going on here. Really and truly, it's kind of hard to swallow the pill of saying that if you're an incumbent and you have been in the office for a while, then you should be the person that gets elected because you have the knowledge. Well, what's happened in the last 20 years? And what have these people done to make things any better? So my question is, when Stephanie Bridget makes a comment to Eric Jensen, you can't cut in line. I'll say that again. You cannot cut in line. What does that mean? And who's going to run against her? Is somebody in her own office who may have to suffer some sort of consequence for not standing with her? Possibly, not saying, just arbitrarily. Would they run against her? Or would it be somebody from the outside who understands law and also understands that the district attorney position is that of one of administration? Ms. Bridget has done one case in 5 years. One case. She doesn't do that. It's an administrative position. Why would they come in and defend somebody if they weren't on trial? Why would they do that? I think that's a question we all need to ask ourselves. And the understanding that Kathy Darling Allen watching over her own election, that's unbelievable. I think we have to grow up, look at these things, and get it to where we have not only fairness, but legality. And sometimes when something is legal, it may not be lawful. That's why we have the Constitution. Thank you.
Thank you, Gary. Anyone else like to address the board in the open comment?